Let me tell you a short story about something you use every single day, and that is your smartphone. 10 years ago, most smartphones used in India were not made here. India bought them from other countries. But today, India is the second largest manufacturer of mobile phones in the world. So, what changed? This is where globalization comes in. Around 2024 and 25, big global companies realized something very important. Depending on only one country for production is very risky. So they followed a new idea called China Plus One. It means companies want one more country apart from China. And India grabbed this opportunity. The Indian government also said, if you manufacture more in India, we will support you. Because of this, companies like Apple, Samsung started making phones in India. But did they come only to sell phones in India? No. They manufacture phones in India and export them to the rest of the world. This made India a global manufacturing hub. But as you know, every story has two sides. On one side, more jobs, better technology, and India's importance in the global market interest. On the other side, small Indian manufacturers struggle. They find it hard to compete with big global companies. So, what do we learn from this? Globalization brings growth and opportunities, but also competition and challenges. So, next time when you use your smartphone, please remember it is not just a device, it is a story of how India became part of the global economy. If this clears your confusion, please subscribe